The iPhone 16 series is here, setting new standards for smartphones. Apple continues to impress with its innovative features and design. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus showcase a refreshed look with new colors and materials. The Pro models introduce a stunning design change. Build quality is robust, featuring improved durability and water resistance. These phones feel comfortable in hand, perfect for long use. Apple leads in display tech with the iPhone 16 series. Standard models have OLED displays, while Pro models offer Super Retina XDR with ProMotion. Enjoy vibrant colors and improved brightness for outdoor use. Powered by the A18 Bionic chip, the iPhone 16 series delivers exceptional performance. Whether gaming or editing 4K video, it handles tasks effortlessly. AI advancements enhance photo processing and AR experiences. The iPhone 16 series excels in mobile photography. Base models have dual cameras, while Pro models offer advanced specs. Low-light performance is improved, and new features make every shot professional. Video enthusiasts will love the new capabilities. Battery life is impressive, especially in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Expect all-day performance with faster, efficient charging. Apple introduces new charging features for added convenience. 5G connectivity is upgraded for faster speeds. Face ID is more secure and works from wider angles. New sensors open possibilities for apps and accessories. The iPhone 16 starts at a competitive price, with pre-orders beginning soon. It's a strong contender in the market, blending technology with style.